Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We have got a good shave for you today. So, the Soap and Splash, yeah, can you see that label? I don't know what it is. I've only got 2 tubs that the labels have faded like this. They sit in the closet in here in the hallway. It's where they've been. Before that, they were in a drawer in the bedroom where I was living. So I don't know why the labels have faded. You can't read it. You can't tell the brand. You can barely see the mountainside. So this is Kananaskis Eplorer by Macduffs. And if I sniffle and stuff a little or cough today, guys, I got diagnosed with strep, so I'm not feeling 110%. We are using the Leaf Lads brush, custom made by Zachary Kent at Moon Soaps, also known as Kent Designs for the brush aspect of it. So we did shower last night. My last video, which was Sunday morning, it's Tuesday around noon. I am shaving. So we have gone, I would say it's a good 48 hours worth of growth. This is a great scent in my opinion. If you like pine, evergreen forest type scent, like, I haven't looked at the scent notes, but I would say it's like, damn it, like pine needles, like balsam, fir trees, like some pine tree sap, so maybe like some resin in there, maybe some patchouli, I don't know. But it's really a great scent. It's not like pine saw. It's a nice scent. One you can enjoy. It's not like a cleaning pine scent. It's really like climbing up in a pine tree and getting that sap on your hands and smelling it. So we are going to use, we're going to an edge and a size razor I'm very comfortable with. This is the Honemeister's Edge, Nicholas Goodmanson. That is the person that hones Johann's razors. So y'all have seen this edge in action quite a bit if you go and see Johann at Shave and Butcher. Honestly, this urn, it's pretty much given to me for free from Nicholas. Well, he charged me for some scale work on 2 razors in this, and he pretty much sent me this for free. That's how I view it, because it was so cheap. I stropped it up last night, or shall I say about 4 this morning. Almost did a shave at 4 this morning, and then I was like, I'm starting to feel a little tired, so maybe I can get to sleep finally. So you'll see all that irritation that's underneath there. The bumps. I did just open one up over here. It's a lovely razor. Lovely edge. I think I need to hydrate a little bit more. It's not coming off. Like I like it to. Definitely not going to get any bloops out of this lather. So I can add a little bit more water for sure. Wipe on my Mojo hand towel. Still have the Mojo hand towel, but I don't own a Mojo anymore. I liked it, I just wasn't reaching for it enough. And even though it was a nice looking brush, it just didn't have enough for me to want to keep it. And if you notice, you're not going to see a lot of badger knots left in my collection. You're going to see some here and there, and they're mainly kept for face lathering, for when I want to do that, and some are good at bowl lathering. But for the most part, the goal is going to be boar synthetic. So, wipe the hands. We're going to take a little bit more water and drip it in the bowl. And we'll do a little bit more. All right, get this stuff super slick, super hydrated. Like I said, I want this to bloop off the blade or come very close. Rinse easily, that'd be nice. Any of those options would be great. So if you have it, and this is kind of turned into a creamy color lather. It's not white. Don't know if y'all can tell from the photo. And if y'all remind me, I'll show you what the soap looks like when I'm done with this pass. All right, dry the hands once more because they feel a little damp still before I pick up this beautiful razor. So, how do we want to do this? A little bit of a memory line there, came in a little too steep. Felt it. Rinsing much better. Yeah, can y'all see? Did I get it? I felt it. Let's put it that way. I'm telling you guys, using the lightest touch right now, but I'm still getting red down here. All right, switching back to the left hand, the weaker of the hands, less dexterity. I won't say it's the weaker, but I think I actually have more arm strength with the left arm. There we go. A beautiness. A beautiness shave. If I do say so myself. See how I dexterity in that left hand. Makes it difficult to do that little articulating stuff. So how do I feel this is? So I did open up these bumps. You'll see them. But all in all, we got a decently close shave and I'm happy with it. So we're gonna rinse up and I will be right back. And we are back, guys. So let's talk a little bit more about the soap. As I told y'all, it's kind of brownish. In a way, it looks like carved Samoy Valley. Soap, if y'all have ever seen that, it's really a good smell. Like, just picture being in an evergreen forest in Pacific Northwest after it rained. Like, that's the smell I get. Now, I don't know if there's alcohol in this splash. We will find out together. I can't remember. I have used this quite a bit. Looks like there may be, but I can't remember. I say quite a bit. I think this is like third or fourth use of the soap, but I enjoy it. Yep, no alcohol in the splash. So, even if Shady thought that was a good smelling scent, he'd be like, no, no alcohol. Boycott them fuckers. Just joking. He doesn't say boycott. He's just not going to buy from them. So, matching splash, matching soap, badass Kent Designs. This is a Omega synthetic boar knot that I took out and sent to him and he put in for me. Very nice of him. Zach does not do a nodding service, but he did me a favor and went ahead and put it in for me. We did use the ERN. There's a little bit of lather on the blade. From Nicholas, very nice shave. I know I opened some stuff up down here, but it felt really good the entire time. It's really a great edge. I enjoy it. So, all right, guys. Hope y'all have a wonderful week. Oh, and do not forget, if you watch to the end, below I am going to link a video for my giveaway. My giveaway video will be linked in the description below. It ends the 20th, and it will be announced on the 21st. So if you have not yet seen that video or entered, please go check it out and enter the contest. You will get a free A&E soap if you win. So everybody have a great day. We'll catch you later this week.